Here we are, the first package with a new computer. It's from Newegg. Shall we open it? You want to open it? Robbie. You pop it. Hang on. Lift up on it. Ooh, we have a box in a box. And that box says Ryzen 5. Should be 1600. Yeah, 1600. Okay, Robbie, can you get that open?
Oh, it's up here.
Yeah. Or my keys, whichever you want. Press down on it. Try that. No, got it. Ooh, that's the chip, and it's got a sticker.
And here's the CPU cooler.
And a nice CPU cooler. Yeah, it's the good one with the copper core. I think it's the Wraith Spire.
Don't set that down.
Oh, don't worry. I got other stuff coming.
It's got thermal.
Yeah, I know.
Are you gonna use some better thermal paste than this?
Yeah, I got some Grizzly coming. Should be here tomorrow.